Hi folks, so we're in another small village called Belton. We're here to do another adventure lab. So I'll try and keep this one brief and just hope you enjoy. I'll try and film anything cool that I spot. Well, the first place we're spotting here is the Belton Villa Football Club. Let's have a pan around. We've got this little field and park. And we're going to have a walk over to the church and we'll quickly show you that. Nice little park here. I was just looking at this old looks like a barn with a bricked up window. And look at that. It's like a metal gate on it. Very cool. So this one's called the schoolhouse. So I wonder if it was a school or house for the headmistress in the area. I'm going to head up to the church now. No explanation needed for that one. An old building here. The Green Memorial Hall. It's not very green looking now, got to say. I'm going to say that there was a door here at one time into this barn. I think he's looking at that and re-bricking. And you can also see there was a window. Let's check out the church. So this is St. John's the Baptist Church here. And a war memorial. It's got a war memorial there. It's very small. It's got a lot of old graves in here, but checking out the church. It's all locked up, folks. I'm guessing that is the vicar's house. Joseph Hempson Middleton, Vicar of Belton. There's the vicar's tomb. We always put them near the church, don't we? And you can always tell. All the old gravestones at the back. That's a really old one over there. Yeah. 1956 and 1960, yeah, it's been redone, hasn't it? You see the one out on the wall there, but these old ones. It's just quite a big church, this. Well, I've certainly got a big spire. There's another interesting gravestone around the side here, so I'll check it out. Someone looks like they've been round here in a pushchair. Or something like that. Charles Thompson, MD. son of Reverend John Thompson, Vicar of Heanor, and Elizabeth, his wife, Lord of the Manor of Belton, Leicestershire, who died on 13th of November 1888, aged 68. Elizabeth, formerly, so this is his wife. Died at Belton Manor House. Belton Manor House, 2nd of July 1875, aged 78. Elizabeth. And then one more to look at. William Hallam, February 26, 1888, 65. And Fanny, his wife, January 22nd, 1876, aged 60. Bring it back. So St John's the Baptist Church, dated from the 14th century, and occupies the central location in the village next to the marketplace, and one of the very few freestanding maypoles that's left in the country. There's actually one in Wellow, and they do the maypole dance in Wellow. We'll have a look at that in a second. So what is the rector's Christian name? That's what we need to know. So next to Vicarage Lane, we've got these, I don't know what these are. There's actually two of them. There's one on both sides. It looks like this one, they've had plants in it. Don't know what they are. Right, let's go and quickly look at this maypole. What's left? Check the maypole out, Jazz. Do your shoelaces, be careful crossing the road then. It's a shame they've got vans parked in front of the maypole. And popped over the maypole, in fact. Right. You still got the original hooks on this one. Okay, the final thing to show you is the pub here, the Queen's Head. And walking past the old house next to the church, you realise just how impressive it is. What a beautiful, beautiful old house.